Good evening. Full disclosure, I have no idea how long I'm gonna stream for. Um, Probably until my wife gets home. My wife is playing Dungeons and Dragons right now, and probably as soon as she gets home, I'm gonna get off the stream. So just heads up. Let's see. I'm building a Discord bot. Finally sorted out the connection management. Now I'm trying to actually have the bot do something in my server. I actually don't know if the pinned message helps that much. I need to also tell people in Discord that I'm live. Okay, so we've taken care of all the housekeeping things. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to. So I think my goal for tonight is going to be trying to get my Discord bot to basically, when somebody joins my server, I don't know if you can see this that well, but when someone joins my server like this, I want my Discord bot to reply to this message and say, welcome at, welcome at bot tester. Glad to have you here. Like that. So let's see if we can accomplish that. That'll be our goal. It's always good to have goals. All right. So I think the first thing to do is basically to make sure that whenever someone joins my server, that my bot actually receives that event. So let's go into my worker here. Yeah, these to-dos, we still want to do these to-dos, but we're not doing those right now. So let's go ahead and remove both of these, or I guess one of these. And then we're gonna say new server member. And then we need to figure out what that event type is. I think it's like guild member added or something like that. Discord gateway API events. Oh, whoops. Let's see, receive events. Yeah, this one. This is the one we want. Guild member added. The inner payload is a guild member object. Yeah, but what's the name of the event? Guild or add. I guess we'll just have to see. Hello, Mayo. I think that's how you say your name, Mayo. Hey, what's up, Tim? How are you, buddy? Is your semester coming to an end? I'm guessing you're very much looking forward to your summer ahead of you. If I had to guess. All right, let's go ahead and start my bot real quick. So .net run project source. Let's go ahead and run this guy. Okay, so then let's do, so this is a guild create, so I need to find out what the, so let me join. I'm going to join that server. Over here. Whoops, that's the wrong one again. Let's get the invite link here. And then let's go to my incognito window. This is my test user. Let's go ahead and join this server. Well, that didn't work. There we go. Accept it. I'm hoping over here. Here we go. So guild member add is what we're looking for. Guild member add. Okay, and then I'm just going to var JSON equals JSON serializer, and we're just gonna dump out this this event. See what's in there. Okay, let's close this thing real quick. We closed our connection there. We're gonna go back over here. We're gonna leave the server. Had law exams. That's why I couldn't join in the last bit. Oh yeah, no worries, dude. I know you're a busy guy. Oh my gosh, yes, I am. I need a break and some sleep. I want exams in so badly. Next exam is Advanced Integrated Mathematics. Ooh, that sounds like a nightmare. This is like an absolute nightmare, dude. But I'm glad you're getting through it. I mean, the good thing with school is like it does come to an end, right? Like it for sure has an ending point. Alright, we're going to start my worker up again. Alright, so we got our guild. Or we're part of our server. So let's get our invite link again. Go back to our incognito window. Okay, so now when I join, there should be some logs over here. Let's copy this really quick. Let's dump this in here. Alright, so we got the sequence. We have a user object. We have a joined at. Okay. I think the user is really the main object I care about. I guess the question I'm a little bit more curious about is I kind of want to reply to this message. So maybe it's not even that like somebody joins, it's more of like maybe what I really care about is the message. Let's see if we can get that event. I think that event was called message event, message create. The inner payload is a message object. Okay. Yeah. I think it's that I care about. Not necessarily that the user join, but that message comes through. Hello, Suhas. Tim, oh yeah, I have 1 year preliminary theory training, then 4 years legal practice training, followed by 3 years of law school to get my legal practitioner certification, then bar exams. Dude, you are on a journey. You are on a journey, mate. Sounds like a long one. Also, just a heads up, I might like abruptly in the stream. I don't know how long I'm gonna stream for. My wife is out playing D&D, but whenever she gets home, I'm hopping off. So if I do end the stream abruptly, don't be. You have been forewarned of my intentions. Okay, so let's come back over here. Let's add another. Let's see, public const string message create. Yeah, I mean it's crazy. Like, I mean, the thing is, when you're in it, it feels like it's never gonna happen, right? But the thing is like that time is gonna pass, right? The how many years you said? 1, 4, and 3. So those 8 years will pass so quickly, quicker than you could even believe, right? Like my oldest kid turns 9 in July. Like I can't even believe that. Like it's unbelievable to think about the way time moves. Get this going again. Let's see, we are going to leave this server one more time. Leave the server. We're gonna get our invite link. Okay, here's our message event. We'll stick this over here in the online JSON editor we have going on. I'd like this to be formatted. How do I... There we go. Okay, so we have message create, which has a list of mentions. It has a mention roles. Let's see, members. That's not important. We have an ID. I bet I need the ID. Here's my author. So this is the user object. Yeah. Where's the content of the message? Oh, right here. Oh, it's empty. Why is the content empty? Oh, I bet I haven't specified the right intents. Yeah, dude, it goes quick, man. You grow up fast. Time flies. It's unbelievable. Like, your parents tell you your whole life, like, you won't understand till you have your own kids, and it is 100% the truth. I need this one. Message content. The problem is that if I listen to the message create, how do I tell that this message create was in response to somebody joining the server? I don't really know how I would do that. It does have a type. Oh, message typed. Here we go. Yeah. User join. Okay. So I can detect. Well, even better. Okay, so what do I want to do in here? Let's see. We're gonna to do. What do we want to do? We want to when a user join message is received, we are going to reply to the message with a welcome greeting. A user join message is type 7. Will need so now the next question is how do I reply to a message, right? And I think I have to use the REST API. Will need to use REST API to reply to the message. So let's go read some documentation. Reply to let's see, create message. How do we do this one? Got too many windows open. Okay, so message content. Excuse me. I don't think that's what I want to do though, huh? Discord API reply to a message. That's what I want to do. Hello, Pix. How are you? Hello, Arkin. Good to see you again, Arkin. Pix, it's the first time I've seen you here, so thanks for stopping by. This is not what I wanted. Channels, messages, posts, content, message reference. Oh, there we go. It's right here. Include this to make your message a reply or a forward. All right, I say we give this a try. What do you guys think? Yeah, I say we go for it. Hello, Fatan. Good to see you. Thanks for stopping in, saying what's up. All right, I think we're gonna try to do this. We're gonna try to implement this. Excuse me. Okay, so as with all things, we're gonna need an event. We're gonna need a strongly typed message create event. So message create Discord event. This is gonna inherit from part of my. Is it always like that? There we go. Screen was cut off there a little bit. Let's see. So namespace is going to be Steve's bot dot worker. Yep, just like Copilot says there. Let's see, we're going to have an internal record. Ooh, an internal sealed record because we practice defensive driving. So we'll have message create Discord event. We'll inherit from Discord event. I actually am thinking I might need to redo my hierarchy of events here, but that's for another time. Okay, so at this point, what do we want to do? I guess at this point we want to create the message data. That's what we care about here. So message message create data, like that. And I'm really only going to worry about the things we care about at the moment. I'm not going to model the whole freaking... This object's huge. There can be a lot of things in it. And I don't care about all of them. So I think what we care about is we care about the type. So this is going to be public int type, like this. The JSON property name will be type. Text to speech. I should probably see what properties are also required based on their documentation. Okay, so we have ID, We have channel ID. Well, none of these are probably required. I just need to pick the ones I care about deserializing. So I need ID, I need channel ID, I need the author, which is going to be its own user. We need the type, and we need the. I think we want the message reference object. Yes? Yes. Dude, I'll tell you what, Discord's documentation is pretty good, but it's also like weird. It's pretty good. It's pretty good documentation, but it's a little. It's so verbose, and it's not quite organized as my brain would organize it. But I've been able to navigate it, and the answers are there. You just have to look for them. So go 90% of coding is scrolling Stack Overflow for the answer. Yeah. Or these days, it's copying and pasting from ChatGPT. Dogman, hey, how's it going? It's going good, man. It's going really good. My wife is out playing some Dungeons and Dragons, and so I decided I would hop on here and get a quick stream in. Which, full disclosure, I may terminate the stream very abruptly because as soon as she gets home, I am done for the evening. So, actually, let's see where her car is. See if she's left. She usually gets home like 9:30. But let's see where she's at. I mean, are you even in a relationship if you guys don't share your location with each other, right? Like, yeah, she hasn't left yet, so we got time. What was I doing? I was trying to implement this. So, I'm gonna have to move my window over here. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to. What the heck is a snowflake? Sogo, very cool. I can see your bot is live in the Discord. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it's I think I'm still connected, aren't I? Yeah, I'm still connected. Where is it? I've lost all my windows. Yeah, you can see it here. This is my bot right here. So yeah, it's working, man. We're making progress. It's alive. It's alive, you know? Okay, so by IDs, so Discord uses 64-bit integers for their IDs. So we need to do public long ID. Okay, so how this is an example where Copilot sometimes makes no sense, right? Copilot auto-completed that the property name for this should be content, but the property it's attributing is named ID. Like I don't understand, why did Copilot do that right then? I don't know. It's just like Copilot acting odd. All right, then we'll have channel ID. There we go, Copilot. There you go. Now you're back in it. Excuse me. Okay, now we're gonna need another object here. This is going to be a user. Discord user. Let's see, ID. Username is probably helpful. I don't think I care about the discriminator, but I don't know what the discriminator is. The user's Discord tag? Huh. I think I just need the ID, the username. Yeah, I think that's it for my purposes at the moment. I mean, that may change, but for now, I think I just need that. We're gonna say JSON property name is going to be author. You know, what I don't see in here is I don't see a message reference object. Oh, it probably doesn't have one because it's not a reply. My nose is stuffy. So I like how you welcomed your bot. Nice, yeah. You like that? Christoph said hi. Hello, Christoph. How are you? Good to see you, man. First time I've seen you here. So, welcome. And if any of you are interested in joining my Discord, there's the invite link. I'll be right back. I need to get like water or something. I'll be right back. All right, I'm here. I'm back. What are you guys up to tonight? Anybody out there with big plans? All right. So there's one question I have, which is, how do I get the guild ID in Discord for a particular message? Well, Google's lying because there is not a guild. There's not a guild property on the message. I have way too many tabs open at the moment. I feel like the number of tabs you have open at any one time while you're trying to write code is related to how much work you're actually doing. Arkin, wait, what was that? The thing you drink from? Oh, this it's just a big. It's just a big water bottle, big Yeti water bottle. So go. I'm just enjoying my morning coffee from the future. Nice, very cool. I have been lurking a while. First time saying hi. Awesome, Christoph. Well, thanks for lurking, man. If that's how you roll, lurk away, dude. But thanks for saying hi. Let's see. Discord guild from message. Oh, can you use the channel object? Oh, crap. Maybe I'm dumb. Oh. That's hilarious. Look, why do they do that? This is the kind of stuff in an API that sometimes drive me nuts. I don't know if you guys can see this real well. But so this is the message object. The message object. So they give you the ID of the message and they give you the channel ID. But if you want the guild ID, then you have to go to the thread. The thread is not a thread object. The thread is a channel object. And on the channel object, you have the guild ID. Okay. Wonderful. Again, like I'm not trying to shit on Discord's API or their documentation because it's actually very good. But that's just, that's a common thing you run into when you're building stuff like this. So channel ID, ID type, author. I have a Discord user who's the author. And then I need a thread. So internal sealed record. This is going to be a channel. Let's say Discord channel. And at the moment, the only thing I care about right now is the guild ID. Guild. Okay, so now we have all the bits of information. So now we just need to make sure and deserialize this properly. So let's say thread. And then we need to public message create data. And we need to hide the base. Then we need to go to our converter. We need to make sure we just serialize this correctly. Discord event types dot message create. Oh, my mistake. This should not be inheriting from Discord event. This should be inheriting from dispatch. Discord event like that. Converter. Okay, so that's happy now. So if we've done everything right, we should be able to go to our worker. And we should be able to say if Discord event is not message create Discord event, just return otherwise. We should know MDSE is going to have some data, and that data is going to have the information that we need. So let's just log it for now. So we'll say log we'll say guild ID. We'll say blogger, blog information. Excuse me, we'll say message, no, channel. And then we need the user. Okay, so then once we have those three things, oh, we also need to make sure that we need to make sure the type is a new user type message. Arkin, I have 20k tabs on Firefox. Yeah, that means you're doing work then, huh? Sogo, yeah, I fall into the trap. Don't close older tab because I feel like I'll need to reference it again. Yeah, exactly. What I always do is I always find myself whenever I'm on a page and I need to go someplace else, like a linked place in the documentation, then I always do right-click, open link in new tab. And then I just end up with like 100 tabs. Cause like you, I think, oh, I'm gonna go back to that other tab and reference it, you know? Alright. We're making progress here. So if for now I'm just gonna put 7. I'll put that to us. Alright, let's see if this works. Yeah? So let's disconnect. Let's find our test server. Let's leave it. Back over here. Let's also... Yeah, let's just go ahead and run it. .NET build. Let's just run it. We're connected. I have to log in again to my Discord? Gosh dang it. Dog man. That's a funny message you sent me on Discord. So let's get our invite link. See, I got the guild member added. I received the message create. But I didn't run those log statements. So this type is something other than that? Let's see, message, Discord. Message type. You alright, buddy? What's wrong? Sorry guys, one sec. My kid woke up. I'll be right back. Hello. Good one, Toad Sage. Sorry guys, I had to do some dad duty stuff, you know? Huh. I wonder if this isn't getting serialized correctly. I'd like to use my debugger here, but honestly, when I stream vertically like this, my window is not really big enough to debug. So I think I'm just I'm just gonna print my way. Let's see. Um, logger.log information. Event. There you go. We can actually remove all this too. I don't need this anymore. Kind of annoying that this is the way I have to test this, but I don't really know of a easier way to test it. Okay, so the type is 7. I wonder if my pattern matching, I need to do this. Let's see, if Discord event is that. I mean, honestly, I could make another strongly typed object, but at the moment, let's just go with this. All right, let's see if we can get this to work one more time. Let's give it a run. Make sure I'm connected. I am connected. Huh. I mean, you can see right there in the name of the serialized type that this is a message create Discord event. So what am I doing wrong? Huh. Huh. I don't know what I'm doing. Toad says, did you just beat your children? No, I did not just beat my children. I helped my children go to the bathroom and then send them back to bed. Do you know what VW does in NeoVim? No, I don't. What does that do? VW tilde? Why don't I have that command? Am I doing it wrong? VW tilde? It says it's not an editor command. Oh. It's something custom? Something unique to you? Alright, well. I don't know why my pattern matching is not working. Let's see. Var is underscore. Huh. I'm just print f debugging my way to a solution here. Logger.log information type. Leave the server. Join the server. That's all I've done tonight is leave the server, join the server. What the heck? It says is message create. True. Yes, it is. Okay, well, so where are my print statements then at? Zero, 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 zero. What? Okay, so there's something wrong with my deserialization. That's why. I mean, that's got to explain it. Yeah. Oh. That's important. Because I'm hiding the inherited member. Let's also do... It's always little stuff like that that gets you. Let's type 7. All right. 50th time is the charm. That's what they always say, isn't it? Let's see. Leave server. This is why everyone uses Discord.js. This is 100% why everyone uses Discord.js, and they don't try to roll this on their own. Boop. Okay, we had a serialization issue here. All right. JSON value cannot be converted to int64. Cannot get the value of a token type string. Okay, so they're sending this as a string. Okay, interesting. Okay. Wonderful. So we need to go back to right? I mean, that's just that's classic, right? Yeah. Well, actually I take that back. I think if I read through their documentation, I think they talk about that. Snowflakes. I think they talk about this. They are returned as strings in the HTTP API to prevent integer overflows. Oh, that's probably smart. See gateway for more information. They don't really say what it should be. The only thing they say here is Snowflake IDs are transmitted as 64-bit integers or strings. But that's if you're using ETF encoding, which I'm not. I'm using JSON encoding. So I guess we'll just treat them like strings, I guess. No, whoops. Still it's gonna be ID. It's just gonna be string, 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 string. I tell you what, sometimes I don't feel like a very productive or very efficient developer or programmer, but I sure do have a heck of a lot of fun doing it. Alright, let's give this another try here. "51st time is the charm." There we go. Boom. 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 Okay. Oh, but we didn't get the guild ID. Huh. Wonder why we didn't get the guild ID. Oh, you know what? They don't have it documented. Let's see, message. I don't think they have it documented correctly, but for whatever reason, there is a guild ID on the object that it's returning. Guild ID. Oh, so there can be a guild ID field. I'm gonna get this working. Oh, actually, I think my wife just got home. Christoph, are your Discord intents correct? Yes, they are correct. They are correct. They are correct. Christoph has obviously worked with the Discord API before because he knows about Discord intents. Jupiter and Earth. I thought developers were taught to debug and fix their own code. Apparently not. Damn. Jupiter and Earth be coming in hot. Toad says it's a keybind. Go to a word, then press that. Oh, okay. So go to a word and type BW tilde. Huh. Doesn't do. I don't. Maybe I have keybinds that are overridden it. Isn't guilds an experimental feature? No, guilds is just what they use to refer to servers in their API documentation, which is kind of weird, but yeah, whenever you see guild, what they're talking about is a server. Yeah, I tried that. So VW, for me, that just puts me in selection. Yeah, it doesn't do for me what it does for you. Maybe it's something with my configuration. Yeah, I tried that, dude. I tried it. It's not working. Alright guys, my wife just got home, so I'm actually gonna jump. Like I said I was going to. So y'all have a good evening. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Sorry for the abrupt end, but you know. That's how things go. I hope you guys had a great week though. I'll be back tomorrow. So I hope you guys had a great Friday. If it's already Saturday for you, have a great Saturday. You know, all the usuals. Bye, Arkin. Bye, Sogo. Bye, Toad Sage. Bye, Christoph. Yep. See you guys. Bye.